In the previous program, we learned about how to swap two numbers by using third variable. Now in this program, how to swap two numbers without third variable. Previously we used third variable. Now we will be swapping numbers, right? After swapping, a equal to 10, b equal to 30. After swapping a equal to 30, b equal to 10. This is what we have to do. The same process like writing header files, taking two variables is common. Okay, we have to take two variables as input. We took 10 and 30. Now there will be no temporary variable. From here, the steps will change. Okay, now see what will happen from here. So after reading two values like A and B, now if I write the statement A equal to A star B, what will happen? Now A is 300. Okay. Now B equal to A by B. Okay. Now what will happen here? A is already 300. B is 30. Now B equal to 10. A equal to A by B. Now what is happening here? You just see what is happening. I'm taking the comments for easy understanding. So first step, we already gave values like AB 10 and 30. Now 10 into 30. First step is 10 into 30. Now what we are getting? We are getting 300. Now we already have A value as 300. Now B equal to 300 by B is 30. 300 by 30 equal to 30 tenths. So now B equal to 10. Next A equal to, we know already A as 300. 300 by B value, updated value is 10. Now we get result as 30. Okay. 300 by 10, 10 30s are 300, we got 30. Now A, B value is 10, A value is 30, A value 30, B value 10. That is our expected output. In this manner, we can go for swapping of two numbers without using third variable. In the next program, we will be learning the same concept by using plus and minus operators, or we can also say addition and subtraction. Now it is done by using division and multiplication. In the next model or method, we will be learning swapping of numbers by using plus and minus.